Aloha everybody, Gene Tamashiro here, sovereign Hawaiian living lawfully in his own country. Okay, Hawaiian Kingdom, ko Hawaii Pai'aina, in continuity. Now, coming up is the 128-year anniversary of the unlawful kidnapping, they call it arrest, but it was a kidnapping of our queen, okay? So, this is a 128-year to the day military occupation, and Hawaiian Kingdom in continuity, we're not a corporation. And so we operate in natural law justice. America, same thing too, if they would honor their oath to the Declaration of Independence, 1776. We got Declaration of Rights, 1839. So being that the law of this soil is natural law justice, you guys, here's how law works. Be truthful. What is the truth? Do no harm. Was any harm done? Honor your word. What's the status of contracts and agreements? Those three principles are the principles of natural law, justice, correct, lawful adjudication. Okay. So what we're going to do on January 17, 2021 at Iolani Palace in Honolulu, we're going to reclaim our house. That's the seat of our government, our natural law government, okay? Sovereign Americans, sovereign Hawaiians, together, all the sovereign people together, reclaiming their unalienable rights, their birthrights to full disclosure and substantive due process. Those are the key points of your God-given unalienable birthrights. And I know we're in this, what they call a pandemic. Many of us who have done our homework, and I know many of you are out there, the mainstream media will not confirm this, but the ones that have done their due diligence and done their homework, we know it's a scam-demic, okay? For you guys who don't know, do your homework. I know they're censoring a lot of good information, lawful information, true science information is getting censored, and you gotta ask yourself, why is this stuff being censored? Okay? So, it's a fact. Scam-demic, all right? Show me the evidence me not wearing a mask puts you in danger. Okay, guys? It's real simple. Me not wearing a mask, hello, puts you fearful in danger. Just bring the evidence. Okay, so if you're afraid because you're worried about getting arrested, you're afraid of the pandemic, which is a scam-demic, do your homework and search your soul, because we gotta show up. I don't care what issue you got in Hawaii, okay? There's all kinds of issues going on every island. But this is our opportunity, all the sovereign people, Hawaiians and Americans, and anybody else who's sovereign, come together, reassert, reclaim Hawaii's true destiny, okay? We do have the families with proof of superior title. Not just to Iolani Palace and the grounds, but Honolulu and the whole archipelago. Okay? You want to talk about jurisdiction? Let's talk about superior title. Proof of superior title. Ladies and gentlemen, the bones, the iwi in the ground is proof of superior title. Okay? So, jurisdiction as it connects to lawful title. We got that. We will be there. We need as many people as possible to show up so this peaceful transition in cooperation, nation to nation, can begin. There's no more wiggle room. There's no more time. You will not have another opportunity just like this. God bless you. Hope to see you January 17th, 2021, Iolani Palace, 10:30 in the morning. Okay, God bless. A hui hou.